Good morning everyone, Allie here. I'm going to show you how to make the Superfood morning smoothie bowl in your Vitamix today. So come on over, check this out. I'm going to go through the ingredients real quick. Actually, I'll do that while I add them in my Vitamix. I'm using the A3500 model. I got my 48 ounce container. So right now we're going to start with a half a cup of mango nectar. Pop that right in. Then we're going to do 1/3 cup of frozen mangoes. And what's great about Vitamix is you don't have to worry about bogging down the motor or engine with frozen ingredients. This has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor. It literally powers through everything. So really cool. So we got that. We're going to do a teaspoon of fresh ginger root. I love ginger. Such a good ingredient. Wakes you right up. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Also a big fan of coconut. And then 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil. Pop that right in. Oop. And then we're going to do another tablespoon of hemp seeds. And then 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. I'm using a little mix that I got. It's collagen and matcha. So collagen's great for your skin. I'm just going to add that in too. So again, here are all the ingredients. Mango nectar, mango chunks. We have coconut oil, flax oil, matcha, hemp seed hearts, and then we got fresh ginger. So really simple here. We're just going to pop our topping on. You always want to, we're going to wake our Vitamix up. Start it on 1. And then we're just going to slowly increase this to to high. And we're going to run this for 30 seconds. So you can see anything that gets stuck or bogged down. You guys can get everything right down to the blade. Nice and mixed up. So if you notice, I'm just hitting all 4 corners here to make sure everything gets moving. All right, let's take a look at the end product. Got a nice, delicious, beautiful, take a look there, frozen superfood morning smoothie bowl. We're going to go ahead and get this right out. Can't wait to show you guys. This is the perfect morning treat. It's light, it's refreshing, it's really simple. There's not a lot of ingredients in it, and it is so good for you. Whoop, spilled a little on the floor. And then we're just going to garnish this with a little more hemp seed hearts. And you can actually throw in some frozen or fresh raspberries, fresh strawberries. I like to keep it really simple. I'm going to grab a spoon and try this out for you. We always got to do a little quality assurance here, a little taste test. That is so good, so delicious, so fresh. So enjoy it, Superfood mango smoothie bowl in your Vitamix.